Hello, hi everyone, I'm Lakshay and today I will be presenting you the PayPal tutorial API and I hope all of you are doing fine, healthy. So let's get started. I I hope everyone should know what PayPal is, but for those who don't know about PayPal, I'll be happy to tell you about it. So PayPal is an online platform through which you can transfer money to your friends, families, or you can make payments for any website, or, which includes many e-commerce website which have an option for PayPal as a payment option. And PayPal also accepts your like debit card, credit card, and you can also add money to it on the PayPal account, so you can just pay it. You don't have to use your debit card or credit card again and again. So today I'll be creating the PayPal API for a sample website, and it is very simple program. Like, we will go through every steps. And PayPal uses the REST API and they call it the sandbox. Sandbox PayPal is exactly the same like the PayPal, but it's developed for the developers so that they can use it for their website or app, and they can like debug any problems, or if they want to update any new things in the website, or like they want to add any options for the financing, they can do that in the sandbox PayPal first, and if everything goes fine they can use it as a live application tool. So what REST API is, it sends the request through client computer or device to the server, and the server processes the request in a very secure environment, and it sends back the reply of the command to the person who sent it to the server. So okay, let's get started with the API. So first of all, let's create a folder and we'll name it project, and we'll go to this command line tool, and we will make a directory PayPal tutorial, and we will go into this directory PayPal tutorial, and then we will initialize empty package like this. So it is done, and after this we need to have some dependencies like express node mon, which will automatically restart the server. So let's give it a few seconds. And after it is done, we have to install their official PayPal REST API, which is available on their developer website. Like you can see, we have to enter this command in the command line tool. It is npm PayPal REST API. Let's check it. REST SDK. Sorry. install. So now npm package is installed in our system. Now let's open the code. In Visual Studio. Now the Visual Studio is open, and you can see here in our npm module we got the PayPal module here and this. Let's create our index.js file first. Now we have to change the start script. Let's name start, and we have to change the value to nodemon index.js, which is our JSON file here. So I think instead of going like typing all the steps, I will just copy and paste these steps over there so that it will be easy for everyone. So I will copy this code in our Visual Studio in the index.js file, and we also need to add one line for the express dependency. Express is equal to require express. So here you can see there is the configuration for PayPal API, and the more right now it is sandbox, and we can also change it to live, which is on the web server. And then there is the client ID and client secret. Both of these we will get from the PayPal developer. So for this we have to log in. So we have to log in with our original account, like the real one. Okay, so first of all we have to go to the sandbox accounts, and here you can see I already created like 2 accounts here, and you can also create more accounts, and it is very easy to create it. You can just click it here and you will get the option for personal or business, and you can select the country of the account, and then you can even edit it. There you have the first name, last name, email, the system generated password. You can change it, but I didn't want to change it, so it's the same. Then there's the bank, like fake, or you can say automatically generated bank account number, credit card number, PayPal balance, which is also fake. Then you can even change the email. If you click on edit here, you can change the email, last name, first name, and if you click here you can change the balance for your account, which is amazing. You can buy everything. So for that client ID and client secret, you need to go to my app, and you need to create one app. So let's get started. Let's name it payment, and we need to use one account. I already created one for this API, so we'll use that, but I will just show you how to make it. And for this we only use the business account because this is the merchant side of the PayPal. So here it is. This is the client ID, this is the client secret. You can just copy and paste these value to the PayPal API code. Okay, so for saving our time, I have already pasted the client ID, client secret, and the rest of the code too, but I will go through it. You can get this code from the developer website of PayPal, and it is very easy. You just have to like copy and paste from there and just follow few steps. That's it. So I also so here we are importing the Express module, and then let's go to this. So here's the code for the rest of the API. So this is the code for like the local host, which they call define payment method. And this is just easy steps, like you just have to copy and paste from here to your Visual Studio Code. And then let's go to the Visual Studio. As you can see here, I already created an index.html file, which is very basic. It is just for like because we are focusing on the PayPal, so I just created one button in it. So let's get started. With the project. Right, npm start. It will start the server for us on 3000. So let's go to localhost 3000, localhost 3000. So okay, this is our HTML page, and I just wrote Sony PlayStation here, and we can buy it for $4.99. I don't know which one it is, which generation it is. I hope the 5th one. Okay, so when we click on the buy button, it will take over to the PayPal website, which is the sandbox PayPal, which you can see here. And for signing purposes, we will use we will use this email. Where was it? Okay, we'll use this here, and we'll use this password and login. So here it says my name, address, balance, with the method of payment from PayPal balance, Visa credit card or debit card, or if you want to pay in finance, like in 4 payments, you can do that. And for all of this code is responsible. Like this code, it creates the payment method, and then if we click on continue, it will show us the message success, for which here we wrote the code here. Like if the